All right, it's been a while since we've done division, but let's just make sure that we remember what we're doing. 21 divided by 3 is what this division sentence says. 21 divided by 3. So I have 21 counters, and when I divide by 3, it means I'm putting them into 3 separate groups, but they need to be equal groups. The way that I make sure that they're equal is I take one at a time, and I put 1 in the first group, 1 in the second group, 1 in the third group, and then I do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I used all of them. So now I can just make sure that they all have the same amount to make sure that they're equal groups. They should because I did it, but I can double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's get a new color. So 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here. So my groups are equal. I have 3 equal groups of 7. So we would write 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So that's what we've been working on. And today all I want to introduce to you is the concept of how division and multiplication are related. So since we've already done multiplication, and we've done groups with multiplication, and we've done arrays with multiplication, we're just going to connect that here, and we're going to see how those are similar. So when I look at this, what I have here is I have 3 groups of 7. And don't we remember that when we say 3 groups of 7, that means we're multiplying. That's something we've completely learned already, which is really convenient because we already know that when we have 3 groups and they each have 7 in one group, we say 3 times 7. And altogether, if we were to do 3 times 7, well, we could know that it's 21 because we already knew we started with that. But if we didn't know that, we could add 7 3 times, or we could add 3 7 times. So we could count by threes because a lot of us know how to do that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3 times 7 is 21. So what I have here is 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And I have 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay? So there's other ways that we can show it too. We know that because of the commutative property of multiplication, 3 times 7 is the same as 7 times 3. That's the commutative property. Okay? So we know that those are both the same. 3 times 7 and 7 times 3 both equal 21. Now, what else we know is that 21 divided by 3 equals 7, but we've talked about this several times. The flip side of that is also true. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Okay? So right here I have 4 problems. I have 2 division and I have 2 multiplication. We call all of these a fact family. A fact family, okay? They each only have 3 numbers, 21, 3, and 7. Again, 21, 3, and 7, 21, 3, and 7, 21, 3, and 7, right? So we used 3 numbers and we made 4 equations and they're all true. All of these number sentences are true. We have 2 division number sentences and 2 multiplication number sentences. So we're going to be working on that today as we go through our problems.